How much time do you spend keying in supplier invoices in Xero? What if I told you if both you and your supplier use Xero, Xero now has built the functionality to push the bills into your Xero account for you. No PDFs, no data entry, and no typing mistakes. And potentially getting invoices in front of you quicker, meaning quicker approvals and quicker payments. Let me show you one of Xero's newest functions that I think the franchise network and supplier groups are going to love. If you enjoy straightforward accounting software training without the jargon, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today, what we're looking at is how to add a network key to our contact list. So I am a supplier and I am looking to send an invoice through Xero to my customer who also has Xero. So what I want to do is use their network code and add it to their contact list, and then that will pull through for their invoice. This is perfect for those that are franchisors and you have franchisees that are also using Xero and you send regular invoices. So what we need is the key from our customers. And then from here, what we can do is go onto the contacts list. So click on contacts, and again, you can click on all contacts or you can click on customers. I like to just go on all contacts. If you haven't already got the contact in this listing, do make sure to add a new contact. So I'm just going to create a contact here. And then you can scroll down to find the network key. And this can be found here. So this is in our sales default section, and right at the bottom, Xero Network Key. So we just copy and paste the network key that they've given us into here and save and close. And then from that, when we raise an invoice for them, we can actually send the invoice from our account to them. So what I want to do is go on over to create their new invoice. So we click Sales and Invoices. And from here, I'm just going to create a new invoice. And once that invoice is set up, what you can do is scroll down to the bottom and you now can see this Send via Xero Network button. And it does say this contact is set up to receive invoices via Xero Network. So what that means is this client has got Xero. So if we click on that button, what that now will do is send this invoice to the client using Xero. So if we just click on the Approve and Send button, and then click Send. So this is Send Xero Network Invoice. So I'm going to click Send on that one. So now what I want to do is just go and see how that's come through for the customer. So we go back to the other account. And because this is a bill that we've just set up, I now need to go into My Purchases and in my Bills section. And then in here, oh my God, look at that. We now have our draft invoice that we've just set up this second. So it hasn't been approved. I still have to go in as the customer and I have to approve this invoice, but I didn't have to do anything to get it in here. My supplier didn't have to do anything to put it in here. They didn't need to send me a PDF document or anything. It literally came direct from Xero. What a great improvement Xero have made. And now you know how to connect your Xero to your customer Xeros. I do hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along for more helpful top tips. I'll see you at the next one.